Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Rocket League. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to block someone on your friend list within the Rocket League game, then open up the Epic Games Launcher app first. After logging into your account from the app, you will be taken into the store page. And now in order to block anyone, click on the friends icon at the top right corner. This will show you all of your friends that you have added onto your account. You can click on their profile to see more settings, and you can use the search box to find your friends from the list. Once you find the person that you wish to block, you can simply click on their profile and you will see the more options. Go ahead and click on it, and now this will reveal the block option as well. Click on the block button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this person. You can finally click on the block button to confirm your blocking, and this person will be added onto your block list right away. And there you have it. That is how you can block any user on your Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.